'Cause I'm not ready to find out you know how to forget me. I'd rather hear how much. Hi, and welcome to the channel. Let's look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the B major played with the D sharp, F sharp, and B, and the bass note of B. Then F sharp minor, played with the C sharp, F sharp, and A, and the bass note of F sharp. Then C sharp minor, played with the C sharp, E, and G sharp, and the bass note of C sharp. And finally the A major, played with the C sharp, E, and A, and the bass note of A. As always, feel free to download the PDF file associated with this song. You will find the link in the description box. There is no introduction for this song, so let's learn the first verse. So here's the corresponding table. So take the first chord, A major, and play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on 1, bass and chord, 2 and 3, chord, and 4, bass and chord again. And you're gonna do this for all the other chords, so it would go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now with the lyrics. Days ache and nights are long, 2 years and still you're not gone. Guess I'm still holding on. So you repeat the table one last time with the next lyrics. Here I'm only singing excerpts since you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. And right after that you will have the pre-chorus. So here's the new table, but you're gonna be keeping the same method. Directly with the lyrics it would sound like this. You told your friends you want me dead and said that I did everything wrong. And you're not wrong. Continue. And I'll take all the vitriol, but not the thought of you moving on. 'Cause I'm not ready. Chorus. And I have very good news for you because you're gonna be able to reuse the verse table, which I will display right now, and directly with the lyrics it'll sound like this. 'Cause I'm not ready to find out you know how to forget me. I'd rather hear how much you regret me. And repeat. Okay? So you just have to play this table in a loop, so 4 times in total to complete the chorus. So the second verse is going to be identical to the first one. Then you will have the second pre-chorus, which is actually shorter, and then second chorus, but this time play the corresponding table twice. And then reuse that same table again twice for completing the bridge. And eventually you'll be able to finish the song playing the chorus table again. I wish you good luck and I will see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.